In this video, I'm going to show you how to export 1Password Vault. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser, go to my.1password.com and sign into your account. Then from here, we need to go ahead and get the desktop application. So we need to go ahead and click on set up another device. Then from here, depending what system you're running, I've got Windows, so I need to go ahead and download 1Password for Windows because we can't export our data inside the web version for whatever reason. So go ahead and download the app and run that, so you can set it up on your PC, Linux or Mac. You can do iOS and Android too, but this is for Windows. Okay, so once you've downloaded it, we want to go ahead and install. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install. Then from here, we want to go ahead and sign into our account. So go ahead and put your email address, or we can sign in on 1Password. I might do that because that's probably going to be the quickest way. Alright, so once we've done that, go ahead and click on remind me later. And then from here, go ahead and click onto vaults and then choose which vault you would like to or export passwords from. So I'm going to click the three dots. And then from here, now we've got the option to export. So I'm going to click on export, choose my name. Now we need to go ahead and add in your password and we can export the file format. So 1POX or CSV. So I'm going to choose CSV for this and then I'm going to put in my password to continue. And then basically click on export data and that's going to go ahead and choose where to download it. I'm going to do my downloads, click on save. And then once it's successful, it's going to say export finished. We can show file if you like or click on OK. So here it is here, that's the password, or all my passwords exported from 1Password.